Namaste students. Today we will start up with the plant structure and functioning. This is the plant structure which we use for the two systems are present in the plant structure. One is shoot system, then another one is root system. Shoot system is present in the produce the sugars by the photosynthesis, carries out the reproduction and transportation. So root system anchor the plant, penetrates the soil and absorb the water and minerals, store the food. Next one is how plants get their own food. The leaf for functioning. The function of leaf manufacture food through the photosynthesis, gas or exchanges for the respiration, protect the vegetative and floral buds, water transportation, store the food during the germination. The photosynthesis process. The food making the process in green plants that use the sunlight. So what is the photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis is the process which plants use the energy from sunlight, the water from the soil and the CO2 from the air to produce the sugar. This is the conversion of unusable sunlight energy into the usable chemical energy is associated with the action of the green pigment, sweet for the chlorophyll pigment present in the leaf. So that leaf is used for the energy, it be the normal energy, sunlight energy, it be converted to the chemical energy. So this is a photosynthesis process. In this process of photosynthesis, plants convert the radiant energy from the sun into the chemical energy in the form of glucose or sugar. Sugar produced the photosynthesis are used directly in the respiration. This is the gas exchanges respiration. This is the molecules storage into the opposite photosynthesis. One of molecule of glucose and 6 molecule of oxygen are broken up the recognized by the enzymes to give the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water present in the photosynthesis. Usually photosynthesis will be produce more glucose than is needed by the plant. The excess sugars are stored transmitted into the starch, cellulose, lipids, fats and other carbohydrates, proteins and sucrose. Other function of leaves. While photosynthesis is a very important part of the functioning of leaves, they have other responsibilities with the plant. Protect the vegetative and floral buds. Leaves protect the buds through the winter, juniper and mango. These plants, the leaves protect the floral bracts during the development, poinsettia and globatato. These plants are stable to the leaves. Important in the water cycle. So water is important for the water cycle. Leaves are a very important part of the water cycle, helping the provide the atmospheric water. Why are the leaves the perfect place for photosynthesis? Leaves are the thin broad in order to have a great amount of surface, the area and carbon dioxide absorption. So because the absorb to the carbon dioxide, the present in the palisade mesophyll layer was below the upper epidermis, collect the most sunlight. The carbon dioxide diffuse across the short distance. Large space of between cells provide the easy passage of carbon dioxide to diffuse. Many stomata in the lower surface, more chloroplast in the upper surface, branching the network of veins. These are the perfect of the photosynthesis for leaves. Look at the whole plant. The 3 major organs of plant, one is leaf, stem and root system. So organs of the plant leaf collect the sunlight, exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide side the photosynthesis. Organs of the plant stem supported by plant body space out the leaves and help them the complete of sunlight and carbon dioxide, help the pollination and later dispersal of seeds holding the flower above the ground. The transportation, nutrition and also water and salts. This is the stem purpose. Organs of the plant root. What is the purpose of root? Absorb the water, dissolve the nutrition from soil, anchor the plants, hold the plants upright, prevent the plant and getting the knocked over, storage the food, complex structure, branching the networks. Next one is shoot and root system are interdependent because the exchange to the water and minerals for the shoot system and root system. Leaf structure. Leaf structure is the reticular venation structure. The blade and petiole, stipulate, midrib is present, veins and small little vein. So this is the reticular structure in the leaf. This is the leaf internal structure. What is present in the leaf internal structure? The upper Upper is the cuticle, upper epidermis, palisade and mesophyll parenchyma, spongy parenchyma is present, xylem conduct the water, phloem is to store the food, lower epidermis are present, and in the last one is stomata will be present. Leaf tissues distribution and function. What is the purpose of leaf tissues and distribution of the functioning? The cuticle. What is the purpose of cuticle? Is the upper layer of the leaf made of wax for the conservation of water within the leaf. The wax also prevent the herbivore or frost damage damage. This is not damage the leaves. This is the cuticle purpose. The upper epidermis supportive and protect the functioning. This is the protecting the process of upper epidermis. The palisade and mesophyll layer is the main photosynthesis region of the leaves. The spongy mesophyll create the space for the movement of gases and water vaporization. Lower epidermis provide the supportive functioning for the leaves. Stomatal spores, which allows the gas exchanges with the important for the atmosphere. This is the leaf cells. Did you know that upper epidermis, palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma, guard cells, stomata is present. The lower epidermis, this is the process of photosynthesis. It's the one important of the leaf, the internal structure. This is the stomata. Did you see the upper epidermis? Gas exchanges will be in the exchange to the atmosphere and plant. It's one of the important of the stomata cells. Stomata are open during the daylight but closed during the evening. Stomata allow the carbon dioxide into the leaf for the photosynthesis and prevent excessive loss of water vapor. This is a tissue, plant tissue of vascular tissues. The transport of water and nutrition through the plant. This is a xylem. Xylem transport the water solids from the roots contacting the dead and allow the maturity vessels. This is the internal structure of xylem. So phloem, what is the purpose of phloem? It's a sugar and amino acids transported from the leaves to parts of the plants requiring the foods. It's a sieve tubes, using for the sieve tubes. The pressure gradient the moves, this is the created to the concentration of sugars. Dissolved food transport is called the transcollation for the xylem purpose. This is the xylem vessels, the internal structure of xylem. What is the purpose of xylem? To conduct the water and dissolve the minerals, conducting the cells and dead and allow the maturity long cells join to the end. Cell walls are impregnated with lignin and fibers are present in the xylem. This is a pith. Pith is the central tissue of the stem. This tissue is also the supporting tissue and the contribute to the stem's rigidity. Phloem, a complex vascular tissue, transport the sugars, main conducting the cells alive. Sieve tubes are present. The phloem, the companion cell assists the loading of sugars. This is a root transport the diagram. The soil particles and soil water will be absorbed the root. The root will be absorbed to the cortex. The cortex will be connected to the xylem vessels. The xylem vessels is the upper to the whole of the plant. The root structure. Root airs taken in the water and minerals the salts. The another one is cortex. Cortex stores some the food as starch. Starch will be stored in the parenchymatous cells. Phloem bring the food from the leaves, which is used for the make the new cells at the root tip. Xylem carries the water and mineral salts of the stem. It will conduct the stem. Root cap protect the root tips as the growth through the soil. The end of the between the present the root cap to protect the root. Root tip grows as the cell divided. The cell will be divided to the root cap will be L for the root cap. Root structure. This is the root structure. Root cap cover tip. Last it will label name. Root cap. Vascular bundles in the center. The internal structure of vascular in the internal part is given to the structure is the internal part of vascular bundles. Region of cell division, region of elongation. Root hairs and lateral roots. So root hairs and tiny extension of epidermal cells. Root has to take up water osmosis, absorb the minerals, act with the transportation. So different kinds of roots, tap root and fibrous root. The advanced is a kind of fibrous root. Turgor pressure. The turgor pressure is when the water inside the vacuole presence of the cell wall. Soft plants have lots of tissues that needs a regular supply of water. That is the turgid plant cells. Next one is air exchange in plants. How will get the air exchanges? The stomata. This is the stomata internal structure. Stomata let oxygen out, carbon dioxide in. During the day, carbon dioxide diffuses into the cell and H2O and O2 diffuse out during the night, and only respiration is happening. Carbon dioxide diffuse out of the O2 diffuse in. So guard cells regulate the stomata. If they absorb the water, it become the turgid, swollen, and open the stomata cells. Water exchanges. The water will be transportation. Also takes place in spongy mesophiles. The process of water evaporation from plants to environment in the transportation. Water is lost from the leaves, replace the water xylem in vascular tissues. So the variety of physical processes are involved in the different types of transportation. This is the H2O, it will give to the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide we use for the photosynthesis process. So transportation controlled by guard cell and stomata. It was if water pressure is high, lots of water, guard cells swell up and open the stomata. Question tension, the theory of transportation, absorption of water at root, possible development of root pressure, capillaries movement of xylem, evaporation of water through the open pores across the stomata. Transport in plants. Was amount of water passed through in plants. 1% of water is used the plant cells of photosynthesis in Turgeon method. 99% evaporate from the leaves and is lost to the atmosphere. This is the transportation purpose. Factor and affecting the transportation. Light stimulate the stomata to open, allowing the gas exchanges for the photosynthesis, and as a side effect, this also increase the transportation. This is a problem for some plants. They emit water during the day and will. Humidity. High humidity means the high water and potential to the water. Air movement is the very important to our transportation.